hang on. Can you just grab the left side of the transmission?
No, I cannot. So in previous videos, we went up to Idaho to pick up this truck for my little brother Colin here. But we tried driving it home and that didn't entirely go well. It's not just leaking a little bit. It's leaking a lot. It's leaking a lot.
Is that clutch? We're gonna be fixing the water pump and the clutch so I can drive it around.
You ready to pull this off the trailer?
I am. I'm ready to pull it off.
Oh, she's a beaut, back on the ground again. So we got the truck unloaded from the trailer and the bed of that truck cleaned out just a little bit. We'll be back tomorrow to put this thing on the road.
Let's do it.
What did you do?
Oh, it hit me right on the back of the nail.
Lift this thing up and then start cleaning under it so that we can pull the transmission out. Yep. Time lapse. Okay, so I have the transmission pretty well disconnected. Colin, I think this is yours, by the way. And now I just need to pull the shifter from the top. So. Alright, I got it, Colin. That was terrible. So I don't know the proper way to actually pull the transmission out of this truck. So I'm just gonna do it the way that it makes sense to me. Wow. I think we're ready to pull the transmission.
What are you trying to do? Tell me.
Slide it back.
Where is the clutch? Is the clutch in this thing or in that thing?
Looking for the clutch right here.
Can you see it?
I have it in my hand.
Connected. Oh, there it is.
Okay, well.
Oh crap. Hang on. Can you just grab the left side of the transmission?
No. Okay. Well, I don't know where the camera cut out right there, but
We got it out.
yeah, we got the transmission out. So we need to pull this old pilot bearing out, and we don't have the tool to do it, but I do have a grease gun and some bread. So what we're doing is we're loading it up with grease, creating a hydraulic pressure behind it with a hammer and a socket, and the bread is just a sealer. Get more bread stuffed in there. Okay.
Is it
That's
out? No, it's not. Totally is. What?
Okay, so I've been searching the internet, searching everywhere on how to get this transmission in without pulling the motor, and I just couldn't find anything other than people putting other kinds of transmissions in and having to cut out this cross member. And I figured this truck's getting another frame under it eventually, so I'd cut one of the cross members so that we could slide this up in and just smoothly put it in. And while I was getting the clutch and everything mounted to the flywheel and getting the bell housing bolted on, Colin was actually putting new shocks on all four corners of this truck so that it rides like a dream.
I like the flare you added there. Is this dangerous? Yes. Is there a safer way to do it?
No.
Probably. Are we going to get it done without
Yes.
killing anybody?
Okay. Are you ready?
I am ready.
I am scared.
This thing is going to drive tonight.
Okay, no, not really. Yeah. Hate putting starters in. Transmission installed.
But we still got to weld up that cross member and then put the wheels and tires back on it.
I think that's good enough. So let me explain before all you guys get after me. But this cross member does not come unbolted. It's riveted to the frame, and as a quick fix, we cut it out and then we just welded it up. This is not permanent, so don't freak out. Okay, well, it was a long day. We got the transmission in and we got shocks put on all four corners. So we'll be back in the morning to put it back together. And we're back.
Yes. Yes, we are.
Yesterday we got the clutch put in, transmission put back in, all four shocks put on. Today we need to do the water pump and put everything back together.
Time to get working on it. So I'm going to be pulling the water pump out so we can put a new one in. Bam, just like that. One's out. There's two. There's three. Number 4. And the fan comes with it. Now what needs to come off, Rudy?
A pulley needs to come off.
This?
Yep.
Just pop off.
Probably just give it a good whack.
That's awesome.
Oh, yep, it's off. Did you loosen this lower one?
No.
There it is. Man, that is disgusting. All right, new water pump going on. It's all cleaned up. Oh yeah, that right there is good. All right, water pump's on. We're just about ready. I'm gonna get this thing off of the jack stands and sitting on the ground. Huh?
So we just have the shifter left, and then I think we're good to go.
Yeah, and it's still light.
Oh wow, that clutch is awesome.
let her rip, buddy boy.
Off we go.
That's a nice seat cover, man.
It is a very nice seat cover.
It's like wrestling a kangaroo.
I'm doing multiple things. I have to hold the blinker, turn, run the clutch, and run the stick.
Yeah.
All at the same time. So.
Hotter than 1,000 degrees. Never park your vehicle over brush or grass like that. Park safety, not bonfires.
It's like overspray or something.
So Rudy's driving, and we've got to go up there, but you can't see the mountain because it's raining.
Rain.
So here we go.
This is a terrible idea.
Oh my gosh! And the lightning? With like straight up, oh my gosh, the camera doesn't even make this bad.
This isn't like terrible. I mean, I've been at worse. It's getting better. We've got Colin in the driver's seat now, driving his truck. Brake.
Right. I thought I'd put the brake down, but
Rolling. What's been your favorite part of this so far?
dude, I don't even know. All of it. It's time to start building something now. I think it's time to put her back to what she was meant to do.
What was she meant to do?
She's meant to do burnouts, dude. Drift, push 500 plus horse with a little turbo.
Oh, okay, I've looked all over this truck and nowhere on it says it was made for
Hey.
that.
So, earlier, when we were headed up, we actually ran out of gas.
Anyway, that was a pretty good run though, huh?
Yeah, that was good.
Okay.
Ran good.
What? Whoa!